Hare Krishna. A very warm welcome to the day 28 of my YouTube channel, Dental Tips. Today's topic of discussion, today we are going to discuss about deciduous maxillary second molar. So this deciduous maxillary second molar, it is replaced by the permanent second premolar in the permanent dentition. And we have discussed in the previous videos that deciduous teeth have no premolars and they are present only in the permanent teeth. So the anatomy of this deciduous maxillary second molar, it is very much similar to that of permanent maxillary first molar, but on a smaller dimension. So coming to the crown aspect of this, coronal aspect of this deciduous maxillary second molar. The coronal aspect, we're going to study the buccal aspect, lingual aspect, mesial, distal and occlusal aspect. Buccal aspect, as I have discussed in the previous videos, it is that surface of the tooth which faces towards the cheeks. And there is a buccal groove. Buccal groove divides it into mesiobuccal cusp and distobuccal cusp. And lingual aspect, there is a lingual groove which divides the tooth into mesiolingual cusp and distolingual cusp. And sometimes a fifth cusp may be present on the mesiolingual aspect in the mid portion of the tooth, that is cusp of Caribelli, but it is not always present. So usually there are four cusps, and where the size of the cusp comes, the largest size cusp is mesiolingual cusp, then mesiobuccal cusp, then distobuccal cusp, and the smallest is the distolingual cusp. Now, when we look at the tooth from the occlusal aspect, the tooth appears rhomboid in shape, and there are three pits: large and deep central pit, a shallow and small mesial pit, and a distal pit. Now, after this, we are going to discuss about the mesial and distal aspect. They are the proximal surfaces of the tooth, and they are almost straight. And then we are going to discuss about the root portion. There are three roots, that is mesiobuccal root, distobuccal root and lingual root. And the smallest root is distobuccal root. And there are three pulp canals. Because there are three roots, so there are three pulp canals. And pulp chamber approximates to the outer structure of the tooth. And when we come to the pulp horns, there are usually four pulp horns. Sometimes fifth pulp horn may be present. And the largest pulp horn is mesiobuccal pulp horn, which is very much sharpest and very much pointiest. So with this, I end my today's topic. Thank you many folds for watching my YouTube channel. Jai Shri Krishna. Radhe Radhe.